My skin felt like it was on fire and then it was doing whatever this was. But let's pump the brakes, start from the very beginning. Come with me to my Tixel appointment. Tixel is a skin resurfacing treatment that uses heat to create micro injuries, which stimulate collagen production. It's non-invasive, safe for all skin types and all skin tones, which is why it appealed to me. I have had consultations in the past for CO2 laser or Fractional laser, and their reservation was that because I had melanin, I wouldn't be the best candidate. My main concern was my acne scarring, but it has really improved my overall skin texture, and it can also be used on stretch marks. And compared to other laser treatments, the healing time for this treatment was less than a week, which was ideal for me. I washed my face. There's no products on it. Let's go in and see how it goes. This is what my skin looks like right now. I'll show you. She's troubled. Lots of acne scars, active acne. I got my IUD taken out not long ago, so I have a bunch of hormonal acne. That's a whole separate issue. But this is what I'm working with and what I'm hoping to improve. Let's go. I am just so impatient. I just couldn't even wait the 30-45 minutes for the numbing cream. So I just went ahead and did it. It felt like prickly, burny. It honestly wasn't so bad. If you've had microneedling, it kind of feels similar. And then directly after the treatment, I was put under red light therapy for about 15-20 minutes, and he actually switched it to blue light to help with the acne as well. I ended up buying a package of 3, so make sure to stay tuned till the end to see the results after all 3 treatments. Not terrible, just looks a little crazy. Icing. Have my fan on. Both things from Amazon that I'll have in my storefront. It's been about an hour since I got home. Eating Rice Krispie, watching some TV. But most important thing to keep you comfortable, because your skin will feel like it's burning, is to have a fan on you at all times. This little one's from Amazon, and it's actually very handy because you can angle it perfectly to make sure that it's on your face. Ta-da! A lifesaver. It has been 2 hours since my Tixel appointment. This is what it's looking like. Thank God the redness has gone down because I have somewhere to go in a few hours. Not so bad. My dog is chewing on a bone in the back. He be crunching. If you are liking this video so far, please hit that like button and subscribe so we can hang out more. These are my baby waffle iron marks. If someone was to make a miniature waffle iron and burn my face all over with it, this is what I would imagine that it would look like. It's honestly not that red though. I'm used to my face being red because of the acne and going out in public that way. So personally, I was fine with it. Day 2 was a different story though. My skin was red, plus it was starting to scab over a little bit, so it was a lot more apparent that I got something done. Either that or maybe looks like I had an allergic reaction or something. Day 3, lots of the redness subsided, and it was mostly just the brown scabbing that was left over. For day 4, my skin was very dry, and some of those few scabby dots were starting to peel off. Day 5, up until that point, I was just using a gentle cleanser on my skin and a moisturizer, and I used a gentle toner to start to exfoliate, and oh my god. I continued to heal, and there was 6 weeks between sessions, and this is beginning of session 2. He really treated me more aggressively this time, and I could tell because my skin was twice as red at the beginning. But then the day after, healing kind of was like it was last time. Day 1 wasn't so bad. Day 2, start to notice some scabs. Day 3, scabs get darker. Day 4 is when they started peeling off a little bit. And up until day 5, I wouldn't even bother trying to exfoliate it just because it wouldn't be ready yet and I didn't want to further damage my skin. I really just need to say this for all my girls and my gays that have acne and have acne scarring. You are absolutely beautiful in every single way. without any of these treatments. You're beautiful with your acne and you're beautiful with your acne scarring. And to be honest, in the future, I will be making many more videos of me discussing certain cosmetic procedures I've had done or my experience having a certain surgery or 2 done or 3 or 4. But those are just personal choices I've made for myself, and I've wanted to document my journey, and maybe it'll help someone. Who knows? So you are probably wondering how much it costed. For 3 sessions in Canadian dollars, it was $1,550 in total for the 3 sessions that are supposed to be spaced a minimum of 6 weeks apart. And then after that first 3, he recommended that I take a significant few months break, allow my skin to do its own thing before I restart. I know that is expensive. I've tried subcision. I've had filler in the deep acne spots. I've done over 8 microneedling sessions. My skin has actually come a very long way. This is just something that I've been meaning to do, and I really wanted to take you along with me. Thank you so much for watching. It's been fun hanging out, honestly. If you like this video, please hit that like button. Subscribe for more content for the girls and the gays. See you next time.